Now, good morning, students. Today, start. Glass can be made from sand and calcium carbonate. However, sand and calcium carbonate cannot be obtained again from glass. That means sand and calcium carbonate mix together formation of the glass. But glass are the breakdown. They do not separate out from the calcium carbonate and sand. It is known as a irreversible reaction. Another is you must have observed green chili or tomatoes turn red after some time. Have you ever seen or heard of red tomato becoming green again? That means green tomato convert into the red, but red tomato do not convert into the green. So another, while making man-made substance, the properties of a constituent undergo a change. This change occurs due to certain chemical reaction. These change in the proportion are permanent, that is, the original constituent substance cannot be obtained again from the new substance. Such a change are called as irreversible changes. That means one example, then use of the sugars and water, then mix together, then sugar are the dissolved in the water. But next time sugar and water do not separate out to each other. It is known as an irreversible reaction. Same, that means two substances mix to each other or react to each other, then formation of the new substance. But new substance do not convert into the first substance. That means permanent changes of this substance. It is known as a irreversible changes. Next, production of a substance. What is by production of the substance? That means the first, rubber. Rubber is of the two types, natural and artificial. Natural rubber is obtained from the gum or sap of trees. This sap is called as latex. Rubber has a peculiar odor and it is white in color. Very simple topic. That means the rubber. There are the two types of the rubber. First is the natural rubber, another is the artificial rubber. What is by natural rubber? Natural rubber means there are the form to the trees part. Which part? That means the gums or sap of the trees. This sap it is called as a latex. Then natural rubbers color is a white and odors is a peculiars. Then next, vulcanization of a rubber. In this process, rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours to give hardness to the rubber. Sulfur is a mix in it. This proportion of a sulfur in the mixture is determined by the purpose of for which the rubbers will be used. Very simple topic. That means vulcanization of rubber. That means there are the apply the heat of the rubber, then use of the different type or proportion of the sulfurs. Then how many percentage sulfurs are the used in this rubber? They depends upon the rubbers will be used. Then eraser, rubber ball, rubber toy all have varying proportion of sulfur in them. In the rubber band, then proportion of sulfur is very small. Then use of the rubber, then rubber are formation of the eraser, another rubber ball, rubber toys and other things they prepare from the rubber. But each and every time their add of the sulfur proportion are the change. That means one example, that means formation of the rubber band. Very small proportion of the sulfur are used in this rubber and apply the heat 3 to 4 hours. Okay, different type of the rubber. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. In this all the example of the rubber, but add of the sulfur proportion are the difference. Then next, there are Charles Goodyear spilled a mix of rubber and sulfur on a burning stove. After the stove was extinguished, he noticed that the rubber had become harder and less elastic. That means they apply the heat of the rubbers and add up the sulfur. Then this experiment are repeat 3 to 4 times. Then formation of the hard rubber they convert into the tires or any other things. Then this experiment in a systematic way and invented the process of the vulcanization. Vulcanization means the apply of the heat on the rubber, then add of the sulfur. The hard and tough tires of the rubbers are made. Then set forth about the revolutionary change in the trans proportion, means how many percent sulfurs are the add in this rubber, they totally depends upon this rubber, then the rubbers will be used. Okay, next. Next, paper. What is by paper? Paper is a substance or material formed due to the interwriting of the cellulose fibers in the grass, wood, rag of the waste paper. The paper is a kind of network of cellulose fiber. That means papers are the made. That means paper is the network of the cellulose and the fibers. There are the used to the interwritings material. How is the made from the paper? Then means हम पेपर मेड कैसे करते हैं, दैट मीन द प्रोसीजर ऑफ दिस पेपर आर द मेड. कॉन्फ्रेंस ट्री लाइक पेन आर यूज टू द मेक पेपर. द बार्क ऑफ द log of this tree is first removed, then bar of this wood are the remove of the tree, and this wood is broken into the small pieces, then these wood are the convert into the small pieces. The mixture of these pieces and some chemical is kept. That means the add of the some chemical of the small pieces of these mixtures and add of the chemical, then kept soaking for the long time in help to the form fibrous substance. From wood pulps are separated and some dye are added. This pulp is then passed through roller, dried to the form paper, and finally wound on the reels. Paper or wood are closely related to the save tree. It is necessary to use paper sparingly. That means the how is made from the paper. The first coniferous trees like pines or other trees are cut, then the bar are the removed, and this wood are converted into the small pieces or small mixture, then add of the some chemical soaking of this and use and add of the dyes, and then convert into the paper. Then papers and the wood is closely related to the each other. Okay, thanks.